What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back. It's been a minute since I recorded something, but I am back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a real smooth slow motion effect in Adobe Premiere Pro regardless of the frame rate. And I'm going to be showing you how to turn a real choppy slow motion footage into a real smooth slow motion footage. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so right now I'm in Adobe Premiere Pro and I have my clip on my timeline. This is like a 24 frames per second clip, right? And essentially what we want to do is slow it down to the point where it's smooth, but we don't really have any choppiness in it. So what we want to do first is right click and go to speed and duration. I already have a shortcut for this, so if I press S, it's going to bring up my speed and duration tab. And what we want to do is slow this down to like 50%. Time interpolation right now is at frame sampling. We have two more options right here that I'm going to go over, but right now let's leave it at frame sampling first. Then we're going to press OK, right? And if we play this back, we are going to notice that it has a bit of choppiness in it, right? It's not as smooth as it has to be. So to fix that, what we want to do is go back to speed and duration, and we are going to change this time interpolation from frame sampling to optical flow, right? Then press OK. So what you're going to want to do is render this out first. I'm going to press enter and it's going to render my clip. And once it's done rendering, now we can see that this is way more smooth, right? Optical flow is really the best option if you want the smoothest slow motion, but sometimes it doesn't really work that well. It depends on your clip, but if your clip has a lot of flashing lights and a lot of movements, most of the times optical flow will have a couple of glitches in it, right? And if you find yourself in that position and you have a clip that has a couple of glitches in it, what you're going to want to do is just go back to the speed and duration tab, and instead of using optical flow, you are going to want to use frame blending, right? If you press OK and render this, let me show you how frame blending looks. So if you change the time interpolation to frame blending, this is how it looks. You'll find that it has a couple of motion blur, right? That could be a payoff it really depends on what you're looking for, but this is exactly how frame blending looks. It has a bit of motion blur. So my go-to, the one that I always use, is always optical flow. Press optical flow and I'm going to press OK. And you'll find that this clip is playing very smooth than it was in the beginning, right? If you find that your clip is really glitching a lot, what you want to do is go back and maybe instead of using 50, you can use 70, right? Render this out. Right, so if you find that your clip is glitching a lot, you can change the speed duration to like 70 and it's going to be playing way more smoother than it was, right? So that's basically it. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.